Welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Giriganga. You maybe saw my old video, short video I posted on about Giriganga trek. So now I'm going upward from Giriganga to Kupar trek, and I'm solo, no one with me. So I don't know. I will reach to till top or but I will try because I have to come back also. I didn't bring anything much then. Means don't have food and tent, just a bag. I, but just little bit clothes are there, nothing much. But in case I will stuck somewhere, then I will think about. As from my guess is not very far because from Kadapathar I saw that looks near only. But sometime in mountain forest jungles you forget the way because some parts have like lot of ways you can go. If you take the wrong way, then you will reach somewhere else only. This is a small water stream. After that, this stream become like name as Giriganga. Its name as Giriganga only till it's meet some other river. Basically, these are tributary of Yamuna river, as you heard maybe. As now I'm in little open area. It's quite looking good, but I'm not sure. It is scary also. I don't know I am on the right way or wrong because paths are not visible much clarity. Like many paths I saw before also going up, so I am confused here. Which side should I have to go? I thought to just wash my face.
पगडंडी मिली तो है बट ये पता नहीं पगडंडी कहाँ जा रही है क्योंकि थोड़ी देर में ख़त्म.
So I'm trying to follow this water stream. If this is coming from the same
bit confusing.
peak, I'm not sure, but let's see. I will go further. Then if I will not find that, then I have to go back from there. Now I have to climb that open area, like left behind. I feel I am on the right way, but it's little confusing because no signboard, nothing. Until now I didn't find any people here. In open area it's not feel like scary or something. That's good. And it's sunny day. So I will try to show you the mountain range and valley view. Like this is upper Shimla area, so less tourists you messy in this area and very less famous. Very few people know about this area. It's famous among only locals, the nearby people. So less people coming here. But it's very beautiful for me at least. I like this place. I feel it's worth to come till top and solo. But if you have group, then it's very more good than this because you can stay here, bring your camp, and it's good for camping. I feel for camping at least you need this. I saw some hut also there. I don't know what is this. Maybe some place for stay, or maybe that is. Look, it's an open. It's open only. I feel for animals, like for staying only. Let's see what's inside because I'm also not sure. It's look like for stay you can stay here at least wind will not come that much. I feel some people coming here and sleep. But it's like have stones. It's not like smooth surface. So you have to bring something for sleep. But views are very good and it it's not very far from I started from Shimla early morning and somewhere like 10 or 11 I was in Khadapathar hardly I guess and now it's like afternoon 1 o'clock I'm here and I came from Khadapathar to Giriganga by walk only. I parked my car there only so exploring. Now I'm trying to go more up. I don't know what's there, but maybe I can see good view. Hope so. You can see Jubbal Kot Khai, not Kot Khai, Jubbal Kot Khai Rodu. Can say Kot Khai is not that visible from here, but like Rodu Valley you can see from here, and Chanchal also visible. I saw the Chanchal peak. Maybe you can't see that. This is the top I came. After that, you can't go anywhere, but not good view. So going back, I feel that open grass is the last point that you hut you saw till you can come. After that, no need to go. If you want to go temple, then it's good. Here I have some water body also. I'm not sure about cleaning because it's open.
शाम हो गई है
But in
शाम तो
emergency,
नहीं हुई
it
है
help you
कुछ लोगों के लिए
if you
सुबह
are
बट
staying in night.
पहाड़ों के हिसाब
At
से
least
भी शाम होने लग गई है क्योंकि
better to
ज़्यादा
bring
वक्त नहीं
your
रहता
own water
ठंड बढ़ जाएगी
for drinking.
और रास्ता
This is also good for drink, but it's open. So
सुनसान हो सकता है
I
सो
saw some people when I reached up on the top. Only three, four people, I guess, there. But suddenly they disappear. Don't know where they went. Now I came back same place where you saw before. Till here you have to. From here you have to climb. After this is not
ट्रैक इज
too steep.
नॉट
It's
बिट लाइक
easily.
इजी इजी
But now
इन
it's
दैट
like
सेंस for as a trekking wise,
This area
it's
like
very
shadow
easy.
area type of area,
But
so looks scary if you come
for
late,
solo, it's not that
especially alone,
good because solo you need
because
to find
it's like a
which way you
dense
have to
forest,
go.
so wild
There is no
animals also
signboard,
are
so
here.
like you can imagine, like you can see
When
that
I started from Khadapathar,
there is no
like
particular path.
many
You have
monkeys are
to
there and very dangerous type of monkeys.
think about how
So
you will find
in
the way.
start you have to face that.
So mostly
And
in
here I
this
have water
trek
also,
you have
so
to follow
quite
this river
chances are
from
here
temple.
animal will
But
come here and
till only
drink
this
water.
area, from there it, like
And this place also good for camping if you have, like if you come with group, because I have water also, but you can't see anything from here. And it's hardly half an hour from Giriganga temple, just if you want to camp here only. I am ending here. Thank you for watching my video.